Yo YouTube, just a super quick video to show you how to get Schedule 1 for free. This is the full game and it's going to save you a bit of money. It costs $20 on Steam if you was to try and purchase it. Otherwise you find a method to get Schedule 1 full game for completely free using a digital game code, and it only takes a few minutes to go ahead and get your personal game code, guys. And once you get your code, you can redeem it in the Steam store and it's going to get you Schedule 1 for completely free. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. You need to use a mobile phone for this. So to obtain your game code, you need to use a mobile and open up the internet browser of choice. I'm using Safari, but it doesn't matter which one you choose. And you've got to go to Cold Coupons. So www.coldcoupons.com. So spell it like this, guys. Pretty easy website to navigate your way to, and you're going to see this page here, guys. They have lots and lots of different promo codes and game codes. There is a search bar at the top here, and you've got to type in there Schedule 1, and it's going to pop up, guys, Schedule 1, and you can see there is one available code to choose. And here we go, free game code. It says Schedule 1 free game code, and this is a free copy of Schedule 1 for PC and Steam, and it's pretty highly rated as well. So you're going to need to tap on Get Code, and this gives you some details. You see, it's really highly rated method of getting the game, and people are doing this as we speak. So you have to basically get your full code. You can see it is protected, and this is can you load up. Takes a few seconds just to locate a code. And it says here your code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So essentially, guys, I've already done this. I don't want to waste a code, but you're going to press on the Get Full Code button and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It will take you a few minutes just to do the verification. I had to complete a couple of these, like 3 tasks. So just follow the instructions, guys. It's pretty easy. It will take you a few minutes and it's going to reveal your full code, and you simply redeem it in the Steam store. Once you have it, and it's going to get you Schedule 1 for completely free, saving you a bit of money. So, yep, just go to Cold Coupons and go to the search bar, search for what you're looking for, and go ahead and grab your code, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you got your copy of the game. Let me know in the comments what you think of it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.